Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here, we successfully organized all that our file structure as per demand. So in this video, I want to discuss about how to add some of the extensions that will be helpful for working with the React.js. Like right now, we are using that Visual Studio Code Editor, and into the Visual Studio Code Editor area here, if I want to add some of the extensions, I have already added some of the extensions. Right now, if you go to that setting, and here if you go to that extensions, so different type of extensions as per your demand, you can actually add it in here. Like right now, I will recommend it to install some of the extensions. Like here, if you search with the auto close tag, I want to use it. Like that is our auto close tag. Okay, so here if you go, that is our auto close tag. That is one of the extensions. I want to install it. Here if you click as install, now that will be installed. You can see it's now successfully installed. And also I want to add another one as a auto import. Okay, auto import, and then the ES6. Okay, that will be ES6. Like here if you go, there is a ES6, TS and JSX and TSX. Okay, so now I want to go there. That will be also helpful. I want to also install it. Make that sure you install that package here. That is installed successfully. So that will be helpful when you load any component with the app. Automatically that will be imported to your file path. Okay, here that will be needed. Also I want to recommend to install that auto rename tag, rename. So that will be the auto rename tag. Okay, so that is another extension. I also want to install it. That will be also helpful. And also I want to install another one as a ESLint. Okay, if there have any error, then that will be also get your all that error. And that means it will be display all that your essential error. Now I also want to install it. That is a ESLint. Great. And also I want to install another extension as a npm in IntelliSense. Okay, IntelliSense, that is npm IntelliSense. I want to go there and also want to install it. Okay, here make that sure you install it, and also they have all that structure lately, everything will be needed. I will also discuss about that things with you. Here I successfully installed that npm IntelliSense, and also there is another one as a path. Okay, I want to use it as a path IntelliSense, so that will be the path IntelliSense. I want to go there. I also want to install that package. When that will be installed, then successfully that will be displayed this type of one of the setting option. Okay, rather than that will be displayed as the install function. And also I want to install that postman. Okay, postman, that will be also needed. I want to take it. So that is a postman, very common one of the things. I want to also install it. I want to install that or extension in installing, and now that should be installed. So that is very much helpful one of the extension. I want to install it, and you can see that is also display what type of things you can actually check it in here. So it's also successfully installed. And also I want to install another one as a Prettier. Okay, so that will be as a Prettier code. Formatter. I want to install it. That is successfully installed. And also after that, I want to install another one as a React.js code snipper. Okay, that will be the React.js code snippers. If you go here, make that sure you install it. That is the React.js code snippers. And also if you want to take some of the screenshot, you can also take that screenshot. There is also another extension as a snippet. I want to take it as a snip. Okay, double P. ED, so that will be the snipped. I want to take it. So you can see that is one of the extension, is very helpful if you want to copy some of the code from here, and after that you can also able to take some of the snapshot. So here I want to also install that extension, successfully installed. And then I want to install another extension that will be as a style, okay, style, and then that is ESLint. So I want to also install it. I want to install it. So if they have any issues in your CSS code, then that will be actually highlighted all that your error, and you successfully install it. And also I want to install that Tailwind CSS, Tailwind CSS, Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. I want to also install it. Okay, that is installed successfully. So that is also helpful for the Tailwind CSS, all the things that will be helpful. And I want to use another one as a Thunder client. that will be client client. Okay, you can see that is actually one of the another extension. I also want to do, I want to recommend you to install that extension also. And then I want to add another extension as a VS Code React, and then the referator. Okay, so this type of another extension, yeah, this one I want to do, also want to install it. And also I want to use some of the icon that will be the VS Code icons. Okay, VS Code icons. So that is our VS Code icons. I want to also install it. That will be provided some of the icons in your system. That is also successfully loaded. Great. That is a VS icon, and another one is a material icon theme. So before I have already installed that as a material icon theme. So right now I'm to use it as a material icon theme. If you also want to use it as a VS Code icon, you can also able to use it. Okay. So right now it's fine. I want to make it as a current one. That means here it's successfully installed. So that is the icon actually display. You can see when you create some of the folder, it's generated one of the icons. So that is all that our material icon. Okay, which is fine. So that is all that essential extension. Make that sure you install that essential all that packages. That means extension for the VS Code editor. Okay, so if you're ready, in our next video, I want to work for our project. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.